Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon and today I'm going to be doing like a pink champagne makeup tutorial. Going out to dinner tonight with my boyfriend and this kind of look matches the outfit I am wearing. Just a little disclaimer, obviously I'm not a makeup artist, I just like doing this for fun and I just enjoy it a lot. Also, it is so hot here in Philly, so my hair is up and it probably looks like a mess, so I am sorry for that, but it's just gonna be up and out of the way for now. Subscribe down below to see more of my videos. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a primer. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I think I'm going to change it up today and use concealer first and then put my foundation over on top of it. So I'm going to be using the NYX HD concealer in the color CW04 Beige. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Full Coverage Foundation in the color F2.30 in matte. As per usual, I'm gonna let my foundation and concealer dry and move on to brows. So I use the Smoke Shadow shade in my Tartelette and Bloom palette to fill in my eyebrows. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to start by prepping it with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm gonna first start off with a little base coat, so I'm gonna use the Tartelette and Bloom palette and mix Charmer and Flower Child together. As a little transition shade in the crease, I'm gonna use the color Smarty Pants. Next in my crease, I'm gonna add in Sweetheart. It's like a light pink shade. Then I'm going to deepen it up a little bit and use the L'Oreal LA Palette Nude 2 and use this light pink shade. So on the lid, I think I'm going to be using this like light nude champagne shimmery shade. It's color Elegance in this romantic eyeshadow quad from Ulta. So hopefully it's good. I'm gonna go back in with the color Sweetheart from the Tartelette and Bloom palette just to blend everything out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the 2 different pink shades and put them on my bottom lash line. So I'll put like the lighter one middle and then the little bit darker one on the outside. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then line them with my 24-hour pen eyeliner by the brand Mina, and then use the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using the Star Bronzer Natural Glow by Lancome in the color 02 Solitaire. Solaire. 02 Solaire. Next, I'm going to contour using the Ellen Tracy Bronzing Trio, and I'm going to be mixing these 2 shades together. For blush, I'm going to be using the pink shade. For highlight, I think I'm going to be using the same shade I use on my eyelids to go and highlight. So going back and finishing up with my eyelashes, I'm going to line my bottom lash line with the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On pencil in the color Corrupt, and then I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Last but not least, I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to line them with the Essence lip liner in the color, I think, Casanova. It's like that. And then I'm going to use the MAC Velvet Tutty lipstick. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Subscribe down below to see more tutorials and vlogs, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!